I like that one. I picked that one. Wow. Say, is that awesome? Good job. We're just enjoying in here. It's like a war zone around here. Over there got some too. Behind the house. Oh, big one. Go west. Go. I got a video live. Light the big one right there. Whoa, nice. That's our fireworks here. It's very beautiful. There goes the money. Oh, I love that. Oh, nice. It's a war zone right now. Our neighbor is doing it too. Kids are enjoying it, so that's nice. Oh, there you go. Wait, it's still in fire. I got the hose ready though. Oh good, thank you, John. I have my good neighbor. Where are they all? Very close to us here. We do this once a year, every 4th of July. Brandon, where are you? You're not watching. Wow, it's really firing there. You're in fire, Sean. You're in fire. I know, huh?
Is there a spider right here?
What?
It is still there.
What?
A spider right there.
Oh my God, here. Brandon is gone. Oh, nice. Look at all that. Ooh, big one. There you go. Oh, over there too. This is my neighborhood. We're crazy until midnight. And we have so much fireworks. I think I overdid it this year, but see, we have more right here, big ones. We're gonna light up that. There you go. My good neighbor lighting it up. I'm scared and I cannot really run fast anymore. I might fall down while lighting up. There you go. He has a torch. There. Nice. I love that. I got big one this year. Oh. Happy 4th of July. Oh my goodness, that's a big one. Oh. Wait, the final one. Oh, that's not even final one yet. That's the one. There. Awesome. That's a good one, Wes. Which one next? That one is a bushwhack. Bushhawk. That's a good one, honey, right here. You want to do it? Yes, I will let you do it. We can, the screamer, we can do that in the end. That one, yeah, go ahead. I let her do it. She's my good neighbor, very beautiful kid. So respectful. You're gonna light that up soon. That's a big one. Oh, you guys go and get some more pancit. That's so much. Bring some home. No, I'm not kidding. Yeah, okay. Oh. And look what we have, the big one with our neighbor. Look, we have a big one later. That's a lot of big one right there. We're gonna light up in the dark. Oh, look at my neighborhood. See? Over there, so much over there. It's like a war zone here. Behind our house. She's ready to pop it. Come on, honey. Go, honey, go. Make sure you run. Oh.
Go, Devin!
Go, Davin, go.
My girl!
Look at the screamer here. I'm live in Facebook. I know, she beat around, right? See, she knows safety first. Run! Run, Devin, run! Whoa! Oh, I love that. I know they say that's a good one. So, oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta get that again next year. Oh, I gotta get that again. I need to get that again. Maybe 2 more of that. That's a nice one. Okay, which next? Which next? Go ahead, pick. I don't know about Rush 2. I don't know what that is. Yeah, that one.
It's heavy.
Yeah, anything heavy.
Yeah.
Like more gram to it. Oh, look at that over there. Oh, Latika. Look at that. What are you doing there, Dad? It's popping? I gotta show you I make some barbecue here. And my hubby make a big fire here. Hi, hubby. My hubby, look at how big fire. And then we have barbecue that has not been eaten yet. We put some chicken and nobody eats. We're all so full. We still have a lot of food. Let me look at that. He just put a big one. It's every houses we got some fireworks. Honey, what's going on there? That's a really big fire. We have, our food is still here too. Nobody eats yet. Oh no, everybody done eating. We have some oh my goodness, what's that? I missed that. Wow. Oh, I like that color. Nice color. big one. There, you guys gonna see this one. There we go. The big one. We're crazy about fireworks every year, but once a year we do it. Nice. Okay, big one. This is gonna be cool. This is gonna be so good. We call that the big boom, okay? We made that in the neighborhood. Our neighbor West made that. And there's this choir right here. The choir. We're waiting for this. Oh, this is gonna be good. Look how big that is. Watch and enjoy. The suspense. Suspense. Look at that. There. Oh my God. See how crazy we are. Awesome, Wes. Awesome. Nice. Brandon, you got on fire, Brandon? Huh? You guys got on fire? I know, I got it in my head too. There's Brandon and a friend neighbor. And we have some fruit here. And chair. Kaz. Oh, that's a nice name.
T-A-Z.
Oh, okay. Taz.
My real name is Aiden.
That's still good. I like the name. I like. You want that? You can have one. You can have one. I know, huh? So much. Look at my hubby. Hi, hubby. My hubby, love. My pala love. Hi, Han. You're just watching the fire and the barbecue. Give it to the dog, the barbecue. I just, I made too much food. Like, look at the barbecue here. We still have more here. Oh, where is that light? Okay, light. There. Look at the rib. It's still hot. And I have some barbecue hot dog. Then we have that.
Seriously.
Here you go again. Oh my God. Oh, I love that.
Everybody should love America.
Yes, Matthew. We still have big ones. We have more fireworks. Now it's the big one. Time for the big one. Thank you, Elisa. Miss you. We're just enjoying fireworks every year. We have a really good neighborhood too. We gather together in our cul-de-sac. Now he's lighting up the big one. That's good. Enjoy, you guys. Whoa, nice. Oh, I love that. Oh my God. I cannot keep so America's is the best. That's chef, right? All our neighborhood, they always celebrate that. It's like they celebrate more than New Year, really. I love 4th of July. We're just relaxed and watching here. I like that hit. We have good music too. Smoke it now. Here comes the big one. Okay, the big one.
Oh, the big one! Better not touch
Ta 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 ta. Everyone, we're just enjoying it here. That one got more shots, so. Okay, relax and enjoy. Are you watching, Brandon? You watching it? There. Oh. Oh my goodness, very loud. Oh, I love that. Oh man. That is just so good. Oh, nice. That take a while. Bye, everyone. You still awake, Tatiana?